Hello. Due to the coronavirus, all parent-teacher conferences will be scheduled at the Medford Area Senior High School. This is a short tutorial on how to sign up for parent-teacher conferences and how to log onto Zoom to attend each conference. First, you'll go to the email that was sent to you, or you can go to the letter and there will be a link. Click on the link. You do not need a password or username to log on. It should take you right to this Sign Up Genius. If you've ever signed up for summer school in the last 2 years, this is the same program. So it'll take you to this program and you'll see that the names of each of the high school teachers are on the left. And you'll scroll down, they're all alphabetical. And on the right are the available slots. So parent-teacher conferences go from 1 o'clock until 8 o'clock. And so you'll find your teacher that you want to see. Let's say it's Casey Anderson, and you'll find the slot that you want to attend. So I want to attend at 2:30. You'll notice that as people sign up, these will be filled. So 1 o'clock is already filled, 2 o'clock is already filled. So I want to see Casey at 2:30. Then I'll scroll down and I will find that Brad Borkhardt, I want to see him at 3 o'clock. And I'll keep scrolling. I want to see Ryan Brown at 3:15. And I want to see Kathy Bedinsky at 3:30. I will then, when I'm done with all of the signups that I want to see, all of the teachers I want to see, I will go down here and you'll see Submit and Sign Up. So I'll click on that. It will take me to the sign up of what I've signed up for, so I can always change this if I decide I accidentally put 2 in the same time slot. You can go back and change these. You can add a comment to the teacher if you want to do that. And then here you're going to put your name, your email, then you're going to put the name of your child. And then here, you're going to decide whether you're going to go to a Zoom or virtual meeting, or you actually want to go face-to-face. So I'm going to do it Zoom, and then I click Sign Up Now. It will show me all of my choices again, and this is where I can go back if I've changed my mind. You can do this at any time, all the way up to a day before. So I can go there and sign up, or I can add these to my calendar. If you have a Google Calendar or another kind of calendar, you can add it to that. And you can contact me if you need help. Another thing that it will give you a confirmation email. So if I go back to my email, I will see that it sent me an email. I'll click on that. Here's again where I can put it in, add it to my calendar so that it will give you reminders of where to go. And then you'll wonder, well, now what do I do about Zoom? So on the actual day, October 21st, when I want to attend these conferences, I will go to their names, and it may not be in order of the time slot. I think it actually goes by alphabetical order. So these may be mixed up. It just is in alphabetical order now because of how I picked it. So I want to see Casey Anderson. So I'm going to click on here at 2:30. I want to open Zoom meetings. I want to join a meeting, and because I'm already in a meeting, it won't let me, but a passcode will come up. It will ask for a passcode, and the passcode for every single one is MASH 2020. So it's capital MASH 2020. You'll put that in, and the Zoom should pop up. There is a waiting room. You're going to be waiting for the teacher to let you in. And we do that so that if conference is already going on, you don't jump into that conference. So the teacher will let you in at that time, and then you can have the conference. When you are done, you will close out that Zoom conference, and you will go back and you'll click on to the next person. So this was at 2:30. So my next conference is at 3 o'clock. I would click on Brad's. I would do the same thing, put in the passcode, MASH 2020, and I would go to that one. And you just keep going back, and now at 3:15 I'd go to Ryan, and at 3:30 I'd go to Kathy Bedinsky. And that is how you will sign up for and how you will attend the meetings, parent-teacher conferences on October 21st.